Today's video will be a collaboration with Affordhair. It came with these beautiful lashes that I used in the video. It also had these two clips, a blue and a pink one, a wig cap, and of course the wig. This wig is a 13x4, 22-inch, 150 density ombre wig. Multiple adjustment straps and combs to fit perfectly to your head. It felt amazing coming out of the package. Of course, I pre-washed the hair. Let's get straight into the video. I have all my makeup done, and now I'm gonna put on the wig. Let me give a quick little rundown. I was like, you know what? Instead of being lazy and putting just powder on, you know, under the lace to get rid of the knots, why not just bleach it? So I started to bleach it and it did not work. Like, not a single knot bleach, and that is so weird. Human hair bleaches really fast. Wasting my time, for one, and two, that it didn't bleach because I really wanted to make this a really good install. This does not fit my head. I don't understand why not. So what I'm going to do is install one side of my head because I want to do a side part, and then leave the other side because it's not going to stick anyway, and I might just have to stick with that. So before I start doing anything, I'm going to take my wax stick and hot comb the hair backwards so I can see what I'm working with the hairline. Like I said, I did start plucking it, so you know, it's gonna look a little more natural than it did when I first got it. I'm gonna take the clips that they provided me with, and I'm just gonna clip the hair back so that it doesn't get on any of the glue while I'm applying it to my head. This is the glue I'm going to be using for today's install, and I probably should be using a cap. Things happen. I'm not gonna waste my time with the ball cap method because I can't put it all the way around my head anyway. Do one more layer of glue before I stick it down. A little bit of the Got To Be spray, and spray that on my hairline too. And I'm gonna do it section by section because I don't want to mess it up. Before I cut the lace, I'm going to just add a little bit of makeup on the lace really quick. I didn't add anything to the brush. Whatever I used when I did my foundation from earlier, I'm just gonna reapply it with the same brush. No extra product on the brush because I'm not trying to OD on the lace, you know? Okay, so now that I'm basically done with the whole install, what I'm gonna do now is straighten this hair off camera and then add a little bit of concealer in my part, and I'll be right back. Alright you guys, I know I changed outfits, but I'm actually about to get ready to go to bed. I am super duper tired. I had so much to do just now, so that kind of occupied my time. So now that I am back, I want to just finish off this video for you guys. First thing that I noticed, I did try to bleach the hair earlier and it did not work. I'm not sure why it didn't work. I'm pretty sure I had it on for about 20 minutes of bleach powder, and I also use 20 volume developer. I always use these products. Almost positive that it's the hair that's not bleaching, so usually when it doesn't, it could mean that it has some type of mix in it. Besides all that, as far as the lace was a light brown on my complexion. It is close, but it's not it. So I did have to finesse it a little bit. It actually looks pretty good the way I installed it, so I'm not too mad about it. I'm actually pretty happy with how the results came out. Lastly, the wig did not fit my head. I told you guys many times that my head is small. I am usually a 22-inch size dome head, and to me that's small. I'm not sure how small that is to you, but usually wigs always fit my head, so I don't know why I've been having a lot of issues with wigs fitting, but this one in particular, it just did not fit my head. Of course I was able to achieve this side part, but if I lift this side up, of course it's not glued down. It just didn't fit. It wasn't no way I could have got all the way around. Besides that, I think that the parting space is great, especially for a side part. I didn't expect it to be this long. I'm not sure if it's because I curved the part. Say 4x4, but it seems a little bit longer than that, so that is always a plus in my book. I love the color. I didn't think I would enjoy the ombre black to purple. I felt like it would give a gothic vibe, but it actually is really cute. As far as the hair, I actually really do like it, and like I said earlier, I thought because it wasn't bleaching, it's kind of like a mix in it, but it feels too good to be a mix, so I'm not sure what type of hair this is. Look how good it flows. My fingers just run straight through this hair. It feels so good. That is one thing that I noticed coming straight out of the packaging. I can't even say I would or would not recommend it. It all depends on you and how you feel. If this is something that you know, if these things that I mentioned doesn't bother you, then go ahead, by all means buy it. I'm actually excited to see how I can transform it. And even though I will not be able to glue all the way around, I will be able to finesse it for a photo. Let me know what you guys think about this hair below. Sign off. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Coupon codes that I have, whether it's for hair, clothes, whatever it is, down below. Just how you guys like to shop. I like to shop as well, so coupon codes is always good. So you're more than welcome to use those if you want to. And I think that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see y'all in my next video.